wasn't big enough. And I was standing on the side of the road, rain falling off my shoe. I'm getting depressed, I could really care less. I wanna rock now, how about you? Rock! Starring Robert Conrad.